Hi guys, hope you're well. In today's episode, I'd like to show you our Westlock stainless steel cast bracket. We use this bracket a lot in our business to fasten Westlock switch boxes and Westlock positioners to Namur style actuators. The bracket comes in a kit and it's supplied with all the appropriate fixings to fix to the actuator and to the bottom of the switch box. So the bracket sits on top of the actuator like so. We would put in place with the 4 bolts. The switch box then locates onto the actuator and we would put the bolts into the bottom of the switch box to secure in place. As actuators increase in size, so from this size, let's say, to this size, the drilling on the top stays the same, so 80 by 30, but the pinion height on certain actuators can increase. So in the next size up kit, we supply 2 cast adapters. The bracket then fits on top of there. The bolts will secure it to the actuator as previously shown, and then the switch box locates and sits on top. If the actuator gets even bigger, sometimes this 80 drilling across here increases to 130. And if that's the case, we go to our biggest size of bracket, which is a 130 by 30 by 30. So the pinion height is still 30, but the drilling is 130 by 30. This then sits on top of the actuator, and again, the switch box fits in place. It's a really nice product, this, and it can also be used in conjunction with our Avid switch boxes, where we remove the mod mount that's supplied with the bracket, and you would then have exactly the same bottom as the Westlock, and that could then fit on top of the bracket in exactly the same way. We've actually nicknamed this product within Valve & Process Solutions as the SafeMount bracket, and the reason for that is once it's on top of the actuator with the switch box in place, we feel it's very safe because you can't get any fingers in, there's no snagging points, there's nowhere that anything can get trapped. So as the actuator turns and the switch box turns, there's literally nowhere that anything can get caught. So we really like this product, and we also think it makes the overall package look very, very nice. If you like this video, please go onto social media and like and share the videos. Please also go to our YouTube channel and subscribe to get updates on further videos. And if you'd like any more information about these products or any of the other products we've shown in our videos, please get in touch by the links at the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching.